Every project management office is different. The size, the shape, the line of activity of business, culture and management style will influence and define place of PMO at enterprise level. The common function of PMO is ensuring monitoring and controlling of project execution performance, developing project management strategy, implementing project management tools, facilitating project team, and optimizing resource. Role of project management office may sound similar as role of project team. However, it is different. A PMO is not a typical project management team. Project management office has bigger role in an organization. Project management office is the think tank of an organization, which ensure that all the projects are aligned with company strategy and goals. Basically, it guides all the project management activities. If you are working in a small company, you may be able to survive without project management office. However, if your organization has numerous cross-functional projects operating simultaneously, having a PMO should be on your priority list. Here are the 9 critical roles that a project management office plays in an organization. These 9 roles would help you understand how critical it is to have a project management office. The first role is monitoring and control of project performance. To align with business objective, PMO ensures the speedy project execution with required quality standards. Project management office will oversee a portfolio of projects to make sure that projects stay on time, within budget, and within scope. This operational efficiency is targeted to improve company financial and profit margins. PMO gather, consolidate, and analyze large sets of project data related to work progress. They track and report project progress throughout the project life cycle. Project management office get involved in planning and execution. Project management office enhance the project portfolio performance by sharing experience of one project to another project. A project management office set guidelines on project planning, scheduling, procurement, execution, and tracking of project-related activities. Project teams can leverage the PMO's knowledge of project standards, practices, and expertise to avoid execution pitfalls. Second is developing project management practices, standard, performance metrics, and operating rhythm. This brings consistency and efficiency in project management process. Project management office standardize these project processes across all business units and functional department. PMO may dictate the use of traditional, agile, hybrid methodologies, or some different delivery framework. Project management office publish and revise these sets guidelines, including instructions in systematic way, and it do function-wise segregation. Each function will have different sets of process and method. Based on feedback and experience, PMO continuously update them over time to reflect changes in the business need, market conditions, and company strategy. Project managers and team members should have a methodology and process that outlines their approach to complete the scope of work. Without a clearly defined method and procedures, team members will not know what, when, and how to carry out project activities. The third one is to implement project management tools and software. Project management today is completely different from what it was a few decades ago. With different types project management tools and software, project teams can excel on their job. Project management tools centralize all data and allow users to track progress, assign tasks, and give feedback easily. They help team to store, consolidate, and analyze data. Also, it helps team to automate a lot of repetitive tasks. However, choosing the right kind tools and software is critical for success. Project management office selects, procures, and implements these tools and software to support teams. PMO plays key role in choosing the right tool for your organization, assessing the requirements for configuration, implementation, training user, and drive adoption. And remember, these tools are not only applicable to big firms, even small firm can choke their project management operation without suitable tools and software. A purposely designed and customized tools can significantly enhance project team efficiency. Fourth function of PMO is program and portfolio management. Project management office works in multiple project environment. These projects form parts of multiple program or portfolio. PMO is never dedicated to one specific project. However, these projects have their own constraints and functional interdependencies. Project management office ensure that these dependencies and constraints are anticipated, understood, and managed in a timely manner. This helps in improving programs and portfolios' performances. Unlike regular project managers, who stay focused on their projects. A PMO take bird's-eye view of projects, programs, and portfolio. This enable PMO to provide key feedback to senior management for developing company strategies. This also involves helping the organization to make investment decision from the finance and board members' point of view, and it is all about investing fund optimally, and PMO plays a critical role. Fifth one is to felicitate strategic project management. Aligning the project with business strategy is another critical role of PMO. This helps business to realize the planned benefits and achieve desired results. PMO evaluate and rank new projects to choose only those projects which will meet company vision and goals. Choosing the right projects presents strong business case and create a solid foundation for company's long-term growth. Throughout the project lifecycle, PMO manage outputs and track benefits to ensure realization of the expected results. Strategic project management approach ensure collaboration and facilitate effective decision-making mechanisms. Next one is optimization of resource allocation. In a multi-project environment, sharing resources among projects is very common. This often results in team competing with each other for the resource. Optimizing the utilization of limited talent, budget, and tools is critical for smooth project management operation. PMO help teams to manage resources more effectively and improve the overall process. Project Management Office ensures their availability of right resources at right time, in right quantity. With this lean approach, PMO makes sure that the pool of resources is utilized optimally and minimize the waste. Seventh one is to create collaborative and conducive project work environment. Stress is intrinsic nature of every project. You cannot eradicate it fully from a project, but you can manage it. Every project is unique and different in some way. The number of projects, site location, team size, project value, and project complexity are directly proportional to the level of stress. PMO need to ensure the quality of the work environment and constructive interactions among team members. Project's ecosystem is habitat of several culture, language, and mindset across several sites in a single organization. And at top of it, each organization has numerous employees, department, and functions. PMO need to harmonize work practices and facilitate collaboration across the organization to improve productivity, creativity, and versatility. Most of the time, importance of communication around the project activities is well understood by teams. However, despite this understanding, it's very common to find serious communication gap at workplace. PMO comes handy in bridging gaps and avoid conflict due to miscommunications. 8 is being the center of excellence for project management. It's the role of a PMO, so set high standards and bars of project management operation. A PMO should define project key performance indicators. Setting optimum project margin targets and line of sight are some parameters which directly come from PMO. These ensure projects are aligned with wider organizational goals and long-term objective. 9th is coaching, mentoring, and training project managers and team members. Training plays a critical role in improvement of project management processes. In 2020, it was reported that more than 60% of PMOs have a project management training program for their staff and project team members. Project Management Office conducts several types of trainings, which include training like project management software tool training, project management basics, advanced PM skills development, leadership training, business alignment training, PMP preparation certification, and so on. And, if you would like to know more about project management, visit us at projectsmind.com. At projectsmind.com, we support project people in all the amazing work they do every day. Our objective is to provide access to world-class project management education for anyone, anywhere in the world for free. The concepts you will learn are applicable to all projects, from Fortune 500 firms to all the way to your own home. And, don't forget to hit subscribe button below to see our latest videos when they come out. See you later, and bye for now.